Hi there. This is quite a good time to do some winter pruning of something like a Berberis, like this. It's very prickly, that's why I'm wearing very thick gloves. But it's a great time to tidy up a shrub like this when it's just going dormant in the winter. So you're actually just trimming it up so that it's going to keep its shape. All of these are actually new shoots which are all sort of crossing down. You can just give it a good sort of back and sides. Perhaps take out some of the older shoots and some of the crossing ones. I can see that one's crossing. I shall probably take that out. And you can do it with quite a few other shrubs in the wintertime. Don't cut down any spring flowering shrubs because you'll be cutting off the flowers. Another one that I will definitely be trimming up is my black-leaved elder, which can take a really hard prune at this time of year in order to grow new shoots next spring.